Okay, we're getting the bikes all packed up and ready to go. We should be out of here in just a few minutes. Greg had a mishap. Oh my Buddha. Cat. He just had this covered, both the front and the back. Well, it's 500 for the back and 500 for the front if he decides to do that again. So he's not in too good of a mood, Mr. Greg. The cat scratched his seat. But hey, that happens. Cats, monkeys, Thailand. Welcome to Thailand. Okay, we stopped for a gas stop along the way. Everybody's doing good. And we'll be getting on the 1148 pretty soon. I thought we were on it back there when we left Nan, but no, we haven't hopped on yet. So, bikes are all gassed up and we're getting coffee and then we're going to hit the road. So, we'll see you guys on the 1148. Okay, we stopped for a gas stop along the way. Everybody's doing good. And we'll be getting on the 1148 pretty soon. I thought we were on it back there when we left Nan, but no, we haven't hopped on yet. So, bikes are all gassed up and we're getting coffee and then we're going to hit the road. So, we'll see you guys on the 1148. Here, take two. My limbs was a little dirty, so I don't know if that made any difference. I'm going to do this all over again. The road we're following, you can actually see it way down that way. The 1184. Here, take two. My limbs was a little dirty, so I don't know if that made any difference. I'm going to do this all over again. The road we're following, you can actually see it way down that way. The 1184. Just spectacular here up at this viewpoint. There. You guys jealous yet? Should be. Oh, Gregor's getting this tourist pictures going on there, but then again, this was the whole point of why we came up north to actually to ride this one road, of course along with the rest of the roads we were on. But this was the goal, to do the 1148, and by gosh, we made it. Okay, so we ran across this little shop after those twisties. They've got the lychee. Isa baht?
20 บาท
Isa baht for one bunch.
20
One mai? One mark?
หวานค่ะ
One mark. Okay,ครับ. I diet.
Hi YouTuber
Diet. Chai YouTuber.
Hi YouTuber
Oh, here we have, I don't know, chicken livers and chicken butts and
YouTuber Amazing Thailand
who knows what they're cooking up there, but it looks aroy.
ไก่
ไก่ย่าง
ไก่39
ไก่ทุด
ไก่ตูด
ไก่ทุดไก่ทุดไหม
ไก่ตูด
ไม่ไก่ทุด
หัวเต้นช่วย
Okay, Cup. Anyway, we're gonna grab some coffee here. Again, I'm just hanging on to my GoPro. Super good ride. God, we had a blast. They're probably all wondering where I'm at. I'm working. These guys are on holiday and I'm working. I've got to make videos for you guys. Got a nice little river rolling through here. But Aroy mai? Aroy mak ma? Zap? Pet mai? Jing? Oh, I am my kin pets. Fradang my kin pet. I cannot eat spicy. Well, we're gonna probably have some soup here while we're here. Geez, light.
Sorry?
Here, this is how sometimes you order your food. You've got the translation app on your phone. Just throw it over the menu, and you can figure out. Because this doesn't make any sense.
That's okay,
yeah, no, absolutely.
This makes a little more sense. So there's always a way to eat in Thailand. Okay. That poor guy. Hey, he just doesn't know what to think of this. I'm doing it for my wife.
I understand.
And for the
it's
fun
a
of it.
very good
Yes,
reason
yes,
for it.
yes.
I don't disagree. I'm just camera shy.
You know, I hate to put these
This
guys
guy
through
here,
that, but I'm into it like almost a year and a half now. So it's like
It's
I
amazing.
gotta see it through.
Yeah, this guy here, he likes it. He's
Oh,
very good.
I just got done videotaping him on the ride. I went behind
Oh, I
him
know, I wonder.
so I could get about 5+ minutes of him doing the
Awesome.
curves.
Yeah, I'm hoping like
That way you
anything.
can show your wife and she'll never let you go on another motorcycle ride again.
What do you
Anyway,
have to say, mate?
that was fun. Okay, so I got chicken curry, a little roll of soup on the side.
You want to try?
No, that one, no.
50
You
baht.
try that? It's
50
good.
baht, that'll fill me up. Okay, had a great lunch. Now we're gonna pack up and get the bikes rolling again, and then the next time you see me, I'll be pulling into the hotel in Nan. Here's some more handheld videos for you guys, but soak this in. I mean, I really see why they call this like one of the top 10 motorcycle roads in the world. It just looks like Tanya's got a big head. Here, look at that, look at that, look at that helmet on there. You ever see those bobbleheads? Tanya. Oh, I'm giving her shit. She might not like. Like that, we're at the hotel. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. I've got my soap already bought. I've got my clothes in machine number 3. Now all I gotta do is follow the procedure here and I should be able to have clean clothes in about 35 minutes.
เรื่องทำงานตรวจสอบฝาเครื่องและปิดให้สนิทค่ะ
Number 3. I hear noises. I hear noises. It's flashing. It's putting time on the machine. I think we might be washing clothes. Yeah. Did prompt pay through the phone? Did a scan here. Of course, this is probably nothing new for a lot of you guys. And by God, the machine's making noises. Lights are flashing. Water's going in. Success. Clothes are being washed.
50cc.
Michael thinks we're in Holland.
Yeah.
We got free bicycles at the hotel.
4.
Okay, well,
Four.
free.
Oh, free. I saw you say.
So we're
free.
going down to the coffee shop on a bicycle. There's no way in hell I'm going to be able to film this, but we might be able to get Greg coming up.
If you show me.
It's got a pretty low gear. Oh, my Buddha. Oh, my Buddha.
I don't know what.
It's low gear.
From 750cc to
Well-
minus, I don't know.
Well, you're going from 1100 cc. Oh, I'm going to stop and put the camera down. This is too dangerous. I'm from Holland. We ride bicycles everywhere. Honey, sassy man, why do I need to walk or ride a bicycle when I've got a perfectly good motorcycle at home? I'll tell you every single time.
Please explain
It was-
whose idea it was.
It was only, what, 5 minutes away? Uphill both ways in the snow.
I've ordered 2 coffees, darling, if you want something to eat.
Anyway, we made it here.
Please have 60 back.
Here we go.
Oh, no,
Now we can get the wiggle, 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 jiggle, jiggle. It's like a fluffy cheesecake. Is the best way to describe that? Yeah. Super good. Super good. Okay, maybe my impressions of the bicycle's a little too harsh, but I'm a motorcycle guy. Never again, Mr. Holland.
It's never boring.
Never again,
It's
Mr.
never
Holland.
boring with
I'm gonna
boys.
get back to the hotel and I'm gonna park this thing and I'm gonna give my motorcycle a big hug.
It's always fun with you.
Oh no, where's the middle of it though?
My seat just fell down. Up my ass. Tanya, I said my seat went down. She goes, where'd it go? Oh God. Okay, here we go. Hey, it's downhill this way. Come on, guys.
We're coming, we're coming.
Thank God it's downhill.
A lot easier going this way.
Yes, it is. Oh, my Buddha. I can't believe it. I miss my X8EV. I'm gonna die.
Whoa, 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 be careful. Break.
Well, are we almost to the 7-Eleven? Well, I don't even see the sign. I'm gonna have to pedal a little bit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put this down. Enough of this silliness. Okay, so I got Michael off the bicycle. We're going to a restaurant on the river to go eat, and if he would have mentioned the bicycle, I would have. This umbrella would have gone someplace.
Somewhere
Sun
where
don't
it's
shine.
dark.
We're bringing the umbrellas because there is supposedly some rain coming, but the restaurant's only a 5-minute walk from the hotel, hence the umbrellas probably for the way home. But yeah, we're going to be on the river, a romantic dinner with Mr. Michael. I hope his wife doesn't get jealous. Ooh. But what happens in Nan stays in Nan.
Yeah. We blew out the candles.
Yep.
Nobody will see.
Greg and Tanya, they stayed at the hotel. They got some cheese sandwiches from 7-Eleven or whatever. But you know, hey, we're in town, we're on vacation. Got to do something special. I can do 7-Eleven at home. So anyway, we're going to check out this restaurant on the river and we'll see you guys there. We are at the Soraya Garden here in Nan, Thailand. They've got indoor seating with aircon. They've got banquet seating and a live stage over there. They do say they do have music at night, so possibly they'll get somebody up there doing some singing and whatnot. We checked the weather forecast and it says rain's going to start in about 20 minutes. So we were not too optimistic about sitting outside non-covered up. That's kind of a neat photograph. But Mr. Michael and I, we took refuge underneath the thing here. I think we're going to be better off in 20 minutes because you could see the front coming in. It was a big thunderstorm said coming in about 25 minutes. But we are on the river. This is the river, oh, I'm going to go back on my memory. The River Ping. Don't quote me on that, but I'll have to look it up. But Sassy May and I, we ate down there at a restaurant one time that we were here. But oh, nice and cool. I mean, can't beat it. Like they even have a selection of wine if we want to get into our wine. But we just order food, and guess what? The Nam Sua is here, so we're gonna get into the Nam Sua, the first one of the day. Okay, correction. What do you think the name of the river is in Nan? It's the Nan River. Oh, where did I get Ping? Ping is over in Talking Company, Pat. That's where I got Ping. Oh, the wind's blowing. I know we might not even be safe here. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's blowing pretty good, but you know what? I'm okay. Got the Nam Sua. Okay, so I ordered the spring rolls. Don't exactly remember what was all in them, but it's nice and crunchy. We've got the dip right here. Let's check it out. Not bad. Now I said they had music here. And they have music here. But we were sitting in the other section, so of course that rain came through. My God, it was blowing like crazy. But as you can see, everything is just a little damp. So, hey, we're gonna head back to the hotel. We're gonna call it a night. Tomorrow we're going to attack the roads around Nan, see if we can conquer them. So anyway, guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I am full im lao, as we say here in Thailand. See you tomorrow.